look at you now, you're alive. Oh, look at you now, you're alright.
Hey, what's up? I just wanted to share a project that I've been working on because I love D&D, and so I wanted to make a little RPG game. And over here, I've got different templates, and I still have to finish up a lot of my static images, but it's playable without it. I guess we'll see, because I haven't played this in some of the updates, so it might be a complete flop. But what I've done is I've been using a little bit of Claude AI with a 3.7 sonnet, and I've gone through different iterations. So in this last piece I was able to fix, and the structure looks good, everything looks okay, code is ready to run. I've got everything in place for the current base game. There's still some more updates I want to make to the game, but this is kind of where we're at right now. So let me go ahead and pull this bad boy up. This is my window. Just want to show you how it runs. I open it here, just double click. You can also open the Flask and run it from here. And then this is actually the website here. So RPG adventure game, super cool name. We'll fix that. So I could continue my adventure, which would bring me up to my last play test. But I want to walk you through what a new game would look like. So I'm going to go here to new adventure. I'm just going to go with my standard venomous. Go warrior, and you can see I've built in different race bonuses, class bonuses, and I've included a couple portraits. These aren't dwarves, but I just quickly created some portraits just to test it out. I like this guy here. He looks a little stoic, heroic, and brave. And then I've created a base attributes that you start out with. That way it's not more complicated than just quickly clicking some selections and having a playable character. So that's character number one, and I'll go ahead and choose my items. And since I'm a dwarf, I'll go with battle axe. Choose a chain shirt for the starting equipment and a buckler. And this is just the starting equipment here. I'm going to add in more stuff into the shop where you can actually upgrade your equipment as you go. But this is my character sheet right here. It's pretty straightforward. Add another character. I'm going to go Barathor, which is my brother, as an elvish mage because he loves playing the mages, and I got a couple cool images here I made using AI as well. So don't think I'm any good at art here. And what you can see on the left here is all the code that's running in the background, showing that it's running properly. So now that you see that, I'm going to go ahead and pop up it full screen. So we've got our mage here. He's going to start off with a wand, and he's going to choose a healing potion to start with, and some robes. You do have to click through all the options. If you don't, I'll show you the next one. And then you can choose a couple of different spells. So still working through some kinks here, but you start with a couple of spells, and there are spell slots. Hopefully my last update will show how that works a little bit. Get Michael in here. He likes playing a dwarf. We'll make him into a priest. He gets that passive wisdom bonus. Only gets one actually there, so that's okay. He'll be strong. Let's turn him into this chick here. Create character. He's a dwarf, right? So let's give him a warhammer, give him a chain shirt and a buckler, and let's start him off with lesser heal and lesser smite. And I wanted to be D&D-esque, but I didn't want to copy it completely, so I'm going to kind of change up probably some of the spells and create my own iterations of things that are slightly different from the actual Wizards of the Coast and D&D. I love TTRPG, I love roleplay. So there we go. And let's go ahead and add one more, because you got to have your rogue, right? So that's Denox here. He's going to be my elvish rogue. He's got the dexterity bonus. Got dexterity bonus there as a class. And so he's going to be a pretty proficient rogue. So watch, if I don't click a portrait here, oh, it actually let me go ahead and click. So I actually want to go back. Interesting. Probably should fix that. So there we go. I like that one. Kind of dark. But if I don't, so here's an example, right? So I want to rapier, that. If I don't pick one of these though, it allows me to pick one. So buckler or healing potion. I'm going to rapier, so I'm going to go with buckler. Actually, I think I have to go with healing potion. Okay, so I got my party. So now I'm going to start my adventure. The adventure begins. And once I get these images, it'll be a bit more aesthetically pleasing. Oh, it looks like looks like I kept my last character here. Oh, cool. Well, we got some bugs, so that's good. We'll work for those. Let's see if we can go on an adventure. We can go on an adventure, so we're gonna start a fight. Looks like a bugbear appeared, so we get all of our different actions on here. And I'm gonna make it so that they have each character like initiative order, maybe on the side. It'll count and track as the initiative goes, so you can see who goes next, as well as a health bar underneath. And then I do want them to pop up like with Barathor. I want to show spell slots remaining for other spells, but for now, since this is a pretty tough opponent, we're gonna go ahead and throw a Burning Hands. Oh, misses. That's not good. Ooh, and this is why I broke. Okay, so that's why we do playtests. So I'm gonna go ahead and just exit out of that. All right, starting over. One thing that I don't like about it right now is, what was I gonna say? Still broken? Yeah, still broken. There's just a lot of fixes I need to make here. But a couple of things that are pretty fun is you can go visit the inn. You can rest for 50 gold. That's across the whole party, so it should only be about 12.5 gold a piece. 12.5, yeah, 12.5 gold a piece. Which I think it rounds up. It shows their status, they're healthy, and then you can actually go on a special quest here with a greater reward. Oh, see, that's why the quests are difficult, because you got a gargoyle CR2. We're gonna retreat and go back to town. So let's just work on getting ourselves leveled up. Let's see if the shop works. So shop works, okay. Cool. So maybe this will work. Let's try to get an item here. Change shirt, half plate, shield. Oh, get a. Let's just upgrade to a shield right now. Boom. And let's give Michael a shield as well. Okay, cool. Scrolls, magic items. Potions. Yeah, so we got enough gold. So we'll go back to town. And if we could review our character sheet, then we'd be able to see if he's got that equipped. But I cannot tell right now. I'll have to go back into my code and figure out what's broken. But until then, I want to see what else might be broken. So we're able to visit shop. We'll make purchases. I didn't see an option to sell anything, so that's another thing I need to look at. Make sure I can do. So when I pop out, get rid of the buckler, buy the shield. I want to be able to sell the buckler. The inn looks like is working. Let's go on a random adventure here. We can take out a couple of wolves, and you can see there's a couple of rooms here. It gives you like a biome, and then I have enemies attached to those biomes that it'll choose from randomly. And as I build it up more and more, it'll have more options. Boom, 1 wolf dead. Boom, 2 wolves dead. That was easy. Look, didn't even get hit. Oh, another wolf. Frick yeah. Let's kill this wolf. Come on, guys. You go. Ooh, Barathor, dude. You got knocked out. So right now I have it so that you can rest and revive your characters. See, and look at all that gold I got. So the gold is going to be how you level up in this game. So I need to get rid of this XP piece here. So you're going to, actually the XP will stay. So you buy XP with gold or items. Go to the inn. Rest. There you go. So you'll buy, so you'll buy your XP with your gold, kind of like AD&D back in the day, where it's kind of gold based for your experience. That way you gotta kind of balance, like, do I want to get gear or do I want to level up and get that bonus? And let's see if we can get to, it's not gonna let me look at the character sheets, so we won't know. So let's just keep leveling up. Okay, it's not really giving me a whole lot of challenge here. Zombie's a little tougher, I guess, but Dinox got knocked out. At this rate, we're not gonna have enough gold. Just a bunch of wolves. I'm gonna have to change the the setting here, it's supposed to create a CR challenge of the average of my level. So I should have like, 4 wolves or 2 wolves, I think. Turn it down. Okay, see, now we're getting some more gold there. There we go. That's a little bit more challenging. I'm gonna hit him with a magic missile. Nice. See a zombie, we could use like 4 zombies. Oh, Barathor's not looking good. Let's see if he comes up. Do a little healing potion. Get lesser smite. Let's go all out on this guy. Burning hands. Lesser smite. Somebody get knocked out? Ooh, everyone's good. Nice. Return to town. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere, getting some gold. We'll have to rest up though, because we're out of spell slots. Let's go accept a quest. Okay. Let me take a skeleton. Oh, Barathor, dude. Oh man, Barathor. I do want to make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing, so maybe having the combat actions over here, that way you can see it all, and then the log can maintain its location down there. Oh, everyone's getting hurt. Okay, we'll retreat, because if everyone dies, then we're dead. Maybe I'll have like an actual dead function. Okay, well, I mean, that's it right now. I can't really go on my character sheet, so you can't see really the level up process. But it'll save my progress, so when I come back into the game, I'll be there. So that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and start troubleshooting. So if you want to stick with me, go ahead. Well, what I do for my troubleshoot is I'll just take this right here, and I'll come up into here. I am really good at that thing. Like even the crash report will show me what I need to fix in here. So it tells you the line, it tells you what's going on. So I could really just go in and look at the lines, but I feel like AI has done a good job for me so far, and so I like to just give it a shot before I go in and mess with myself. Manage inventory. Oh, okay, so I need to manage inventory. Don't I have manage inventory? Yeah, I got manage inventory. It's already here. Here, let's you can also do this right here. I can show them. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ran out of length. Well, that happens sometimes. So here's what I'm gonna do. Actually, let's go up here. What's great about AI is it can pick up, well, especially this AI. Dang it. Oops. I guess if that's the case, then I can go here. Claude, especially Sonnet, especially the 3.7, really good at seeing the context. So what I'll say here is it's gonna come in here. And we'll just show him the code that we already got. That way it'll see the code, be like, oh yeah, that's great, just add that to here. Or it'll be like, oh, let's do this. There, it tells you where to put it to. Okay, so what it's saying is that all of my routes will be good once I have these in place. And these can go, it says, right around here. So I'm actually going to go ahead and copy this. That way I can just come into my VS Code, Control F, Control V. That's where we're at. So this whole route right here and here. So this will be my new route. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go ahead and place it right here like this. Then what I like to do is I'm just going to go ahead and, so all this green is the new route. Let's see. Just go like this and grab everything. Just, and then ask it, does this look right? Cool. So once I do that, it actually should update live. So save that guy here. Come back in here and boom. Oh, bummer. We'll just go here and I'll pull up RPG game and we'll continue adventure. Oh, darn. Okay. So I'll just create a new party basically. And that's okay. That's why we're doing the test. And I'm just going to create one character that I can give him a great sword this time. It's cool. Starting equipment. Start adventure. View. Okay, awesome. You see it? So I've got gold. Oh, look at that. Change. Currently equipped other items. And look at that. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice. That is so good. Back to town. Let's add some more characters because I am digging this. Let's get let's just do a band of freaking dwarfish warriors and just go to town. We'll do a traditional battle axe here with the buckler, and then let's create another character. Let's do a priest because the priests are pretty good with the dwarves, mostly because that bonus that I gave him for the wisdom. We'll give him a heal and a smite so he can keep us in the game. And let's actually add a rogue as well. Let's call him Dinox. I'll just here. Give him that cool. And we'll go rapier because it's the most deadly. He'll be a bit more squishy, but that'll be a good damage. Actually, let's add a mage. We need a mage in here. Let's call him Boom. He'll be our human mage. And he's gonna go boom. Because who says we can't have 5 characters, right? Okay, we'll give him Burning Hands and Magic Missile so we can have an auto hit basically. Okay, so now we got 5 characters in our party. Sick. I think it's a good balance because then, it's fun. Okay, so shop. Let's see. It doesn't show any selling options. Maybe I should have a tab up here that says sell, and it'll show all of their equipment. That would be actually a really good idea. Dude, it's so dead. Oh, I'm hitting so hard. No one got hit. Cool. Giant spider. I don't want to waste any spells yet. The problem is that now I'm going to be sharing a lot less gold. So 10 gold pieces. It's only 2 per character, so we're going to level up a lot slower. Ooh, a dire wolf. That'll be interesting. Let's kill off the wolf first, huh? There we go. I don't want to waste potions yet. Oh, I did lose 2 guys. Dang it. Oof, we're looking pretty low. If Barathor comes out here, actually, let's kill this guy here. Oh, we did it. Okay, go to the inn. Let's rest. That's 10 gold piece per person. Okay. Oh, a gargoyle? Yeah, let's freaking go all out on this guy. Lesser smite. Oh, I missed. Burning hands. Oh, I missed. What? That is really sad. Lesser smite. Oh, let's go to town. Okay. So let's go ahead and buy XP. Level up. Yes! Ability score improvements. Let's go. Okay. So I am going to go for strength for my fighter. So let's go. So every 2 levels I'm having an ability score improvement. That way, by the time you get up to the higher levels, you have a bit more power behind you. Cool. Back to inventory. Look at that. There's my. That's so good. Back to character. Back to town. Okay, that is so good. Level up. And this is another warrior, right? So let's improve strength. Back to town. To priest. By XP 100. level up. Let's give him some wisdom. Boom. Now he's going to be hidden. You can see that as I buy the XP, my gold goes away. And I really like that function. I think that's a good balance. Rogue. Level up. Level up. Let's give him intelligence. Yeah. Oops. Back to town. Okay. We still need to build to look at spell slots though. Oh, there we go. Spell slots. So you can see he's got one slot left. Now that he leveled up, he got a slot. And same here, got a slot. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the inn and take a quick rest. See, out of gold. Okay. Level 2. So I think we can probably go on it. Special quest. Oh geez. So I think we should probably go ahead and lesser smite the gargoyle and try to kill this with these fighters. Burning hands to take care of them. There we go. Lesser smite. Never burning through or spells, but as long as we can survive. Denox is low, so that's why I want to have a little bit of a tracker here. I'm actually going to do that real quick. Go into this fight. Gonna kind of back up here a little bit. Take a snip. This part will be HP, and then I don't even care. Let's go. This is so janky, etc. And then let's go like this. Copy that. This is coming in here. Oh, I didn't save my last thing. I'll have to fix that. Yeah, let's just not worry about that right now. Okay. There it is. There's a code. So anyways. All right, let's see. Burning hands for sure. Look at that. So freaking good. I'll get rid of this wolf real quick. And then focus on this gargoyle. Denox. I think Denox was hurt, but I can't remember. Probably. Let's just worry about him after the fight. Oh, he's done. He's out. Do you think we can make this? Get rid of this wolf first. Do we survive the fight? I don't know. Continue. Oh my gosh. more gargoyles. I'm gonna go retreat. It's a lot of hitting. Yeah, those are a bit more challenging. I need to probably balance it a little bit more. Take a note here. I'm really good at typing. Cool. Well, I'm pretty happy with where we're at so far. We made some really good progress. So the next things I'm going to be doing is going through and making some of those updates from my notes, adding some more code, and doing some more playtests. But that's RPG game. That's find a name for it eventually. So really excited to kind of try something else. Wow, I didn't even talk about this, but the reason why really that I wanted to develop something like this is because when you have that itch and you want to play D&D, to just be able to go in and play by yourself, if you don't have friends. I would like to open this up to be multiplayer and everyone kind of gets their own character. I'd also like it to be maybe something for creative, if you're trying to put together a dungeon, you can kind of generate your own ideas with for that dungeon. The only downside to that is you need a massive index of information, and so it does have, it's a balance between how much information do you want to put into your files versus, do you just want to kind of keep it more specific to the game. I think eventually I would like to maybe have like a main quest line, instead of just like off in the wilderness or into the inn, have like a main quest that you're following with maybe like a map on the side or something that kind of follows through. And maybe on that map is where you click and it routes you to wilderness encounters, and you gather clues and you find actual roleplay options. So these are all kind of ideas, and I'm saying these things out loud and look like I'm recording it because I can go back and actually put that into my notes now because I didn't really think of that before. So anyways, signing off. Thanks for watching.
Oh, look at you now. You're alright when the nights are